intelligent CNC metal laser cutting machine with fiber optic technology and stainless steel adaptation, equipped with imported servo system, supports direct import of CAD drawings for automatic typesetting, automatic loading and unloading of stainless steel processing, and unmanned operation throughout the entire process. The magnetic field strength can be adapted to different thicknesses of metal materials. Real-time monitoring of operating status, automatic fault alarm, and automatic production line adaptation to enhance the level of intelligence. Email i5122398@163.com， phone +86132313351， WhatsApp +86132313351。URL http://3w.csepartor.com Laser cutting machine, plate laser cutting machine, laser pipe cutting machine, high power laser cutting machine, fiber laser cutting machine.